How to use Pinterest scheduler to plan posts. So the first thing that you need to do is get your Pinterest account into a business account. So for that, open your Pinterest, and in here what you're going to do is tap on your profile icon right here. Then you can tap on the settings icon right here, tap on account management, and then you can get the option of convert to business account. Tap on that one, then tap on convert account. You can now name your profile just like this, and then tap on next just like that. If you do have any website, you can do that and tap on next, or you can tap on no website yet, and in here you can describe your business, and after selecting your business then tap on next again, and then in here would you be interested in running the Pinterest ad? If you are, you can tap on yes or else, tap on I'm not sure yet, then tap on next. So after doing that, here you can see you have successfully converted your personal account to a business account. After doing that, what you need to do is access the pin creation tool. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is first of all, let's create our pin. So get into our home screen and then tap on the plus icon right here, then tap on pin, and from here we can now start creating our pin just like this. I'm going to select few photos, then tap on next just like that, and in here you can see you'll be able to now create your pin. Now tap on next. So before doing that, you can now edit however you want to your pin, then tap on next. After doing that, you can now give the title to your pin, add descriptions to it, add link, and then you can pick a board, tag the related topics, tag products, and if you want you can schedule the date. And if you go to the advanced settings, you'll be now able to generate your own descriptions. And in here we also have the mark as AI modify. If it is AI generated content, do that, and also features AI generated person. So if you have created a AI generated person, make sure to enable that option. So after doing all of these, all you need to do is simply post it, and like that you'll be able to use Pinterest scheduler to plan post, and that's it.